Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily. Jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin, is this the top, or at least a temporary top? So, I mean, we don't have a whole lot of market structure to go on right here. One part of price discovery is, the price action. This is uncharted territory. However, this upper trend line that's been respected by Bitcoin for an extended period of time in this rising, broadening wedge, you see conveniently price action temporarily at least has gotten rejected here on 2 occasions. 22,827 was where the rejection was at the first time. The second time a little bit lower than that. So now we got to zoom into a really small time frame because we don't have any market structure. Like, how do you trade this? Like, what is this? So you go to the 5-minute time frame and you had a huge crazy whipsaw pattern. Let's make sure and just completely wreck all the over leveraged long and short traders. Let's just get that out of the way. Then you had a head and shoulders pattern playing out. Again, 5-minute time frame. I wouldn't get stuck here, but we just don't have any market structure at this point. Then you put in a head and shoulders measured move, should be down here, possibly 21,900. And the bulls bought it up quickly. And that's kind of the going theme here. Like, look at this move to the downside, 21,815. Boom. Snap right back higher. Same here, same here, same here. Okay, then put in a double bottom. And again, like I said, don't get stuck on these lower term time frames. Double bottom reversal. Okay, and then it's looking like, you could go through here and chart. You want a full-time job? Get stuck on these short-term time frames. What we're looking for is some type of range. Some type of range here would give these altcoins a little bit of room to breathe. And so that's really why I'm looking at not necessarily some type of reversal, but just some type of consolidation where the altcoins would be high risk entries, but a lot of them are oversold. And we're going to talk about that in just a second. But again, you just have to keep in mind, like, nailing the top, nailing the bottom, it's not going to happen, right? But, you have to think at some point, Bitcoin needs to cool off. However, I'm going to show you a chart, and you can expect a ton of crazy volatility over the next few months based on this idea. And it's amazing to see. What type of emotions will you feel when you see this chart? So we'll follow up with that in just a minute. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, I took what you said. Buy when it hurts. Buy when it hurts. So he's in an XRP trade. Obviously, XRP took a hit and bounced back. And so he's down 80%, about $344. Then he says, this is where I bought more. And that's exactly this is the game changer. And this is what separates you from the herd. Mark my words. when you're able to, when you get a knot in your stomach and every ounce of blood in your body is telling you to freaking sell, when you hit that buy button, life-changing money. He bought more, and next thing you know, he ends up $1,900. He explained, he said, I bought when there's fear. He's like, this is big money. It was scary. I trade like a robot. There's a lot of psychology in trading this market. This is a big step for anybody to kind of be able to kind of reprogram your brain. This market will take your money if you trade what you think you should do. This person, Ethereum trade in the group, she had an amazing trade on Ethereum. He's up $8,000. And then on Bitcoin, he's up $7,000. He made $15,200 in 8 hours today. Thanks, he said. Killed it. Killed it. Life-changing money. Dude, if you are tired of working for somebody else, learn to trade this market. Like, this is work from home, work from anywhere you want. Dude, that's what life's about for me. Like, I could never go back, get in my car, and drive to work every day. It ain't happening. There's no way. So there's a person in the comments every single day called Crypto Revolution that messages everybody. I ban them every single day. This is not me. They send WhatsApp numbers, and then they try to talk to you about trading, and this is not me. Right? I cannot even keep up with all the freaking spam in chat. And I ban the guy from posting, and they make a new account every day, right? And this is happening to a lot of YouTubers, but just so you know, like, I'm never going to tell you to call me on WhatsApp. I don't use WhatsApp. Real Bitcoin, zero net emissions. So I get this from Uphold, and it says, introducing Bitcoin Zero. And I think this is like Diet Bitcoin, low-cal Bitcoin. This is, I mean, who wants to hold Bitcoin Zero? Like, that doesn't sound very bullish. I want to hold Bitcoin Moon. This is Bitcoin Zero, the real Bitcoin. Here we go again. Like, you can tell, bull run ready. When all these crazy knockoffs start coming out. Used to be like Super Bitcoin, Bitcoin Z, Bitcoin Black, Bitcoin, yeah, nonsense. Anyways, it's a real Bitcoin, but right here it says that the ERC20 token, let's see. So it's a real Bitcoin, but it's an ERC20. It runs on Ethereum. So algo on Coinbase. So beginning today, you'll have the opportunity to earn algo rewards on Coinbase. So sometimes people get excited about these. I mean, it's free crypto, potentially. So again, daily payouts. And it's staking now. So, I mean, if you're staking, make sure you're in an uptrend, right? If you're in an uptrend, staking makes sense, right? This idea, I had to share with you guys. Like, I'm like, let me get this video out early so everybody could catch it. But just imagine the emotions that are happening. Now, this is December 2016. These blue line, December 2016. Actually, the same date, December 17th, 2016, as today. And then, you know, up till about March the 25th. And so, again, this is an example of the volatility before and after Bitcoin broke the previous all-time high. And you can see right here, you know, Bitcoin ran up to 777 and then break above it at this point. Bitcoin ran up. So this would be similar to previously we ran up to, you know, 19,800 all-time high, and then we did it again. And then it broke out, and here we are, right? Running up to crazy numbers, 23,800. Bull run ready. Who freaking can believe this price action? This is crazy. Imagine in 2 weeks, imagine Bitcoin running up 50%. Like, if this were to repeat itself, this would put us at $30,000 Bitcoin. $30,000. And again, history doesn't necessarily repeat, but normally it rhymes. But the idea here is there's a ton of volatility in store, potentially. Then, after it hits 50% run up, then you get a 56% pullback in 8 days. Buy. Like, if we get some type of pullback, like, you imagine all the retail investors FOMOing in right now, hitting that PayPal buy button, they'll be sick after 50% losses. Buy the Bitcoins that they sell. And then after that, you got a 70% run up in Bitcoin over the next 50 days. Next thing you know, 28% pullback and an epic bounce. Look at this wick. Like, this wick goes from, imagine a day where Bitcoin goes from 955 to 1344. Crazy pull, but just volatility. One day you wake up and you're looking at your phone and you're just like, what was that? Anyways, so you end up with overall a 30% pullback after a 70% run up. So I guess the point is there's going to be pullbacks ahead. So if you miss some of the Bitcoin move, like, don't worry about it. Like, buy the biggest possible dip you can. And then just remember, like, these altcoins, like, I like to make money in the altcoins because, I mean, you're talking like 200, 300, 400, 500% gains in a short period of time, especially on some of the smaller caps. Over the life of the bull run, I mean, Bitcoin's going to 50x? Probably no. No. Will there be some altcoins at 50x? Yes, there will. And so just know that this last dip right here, Bitcoin went parabolic. Bitcoin went parabolic after this dip. Buy the dips that make you ill. As an example, these altcoins, this is Alpha Finance, is up 10x in December. Maybe in the trading group, we got about 250% gains out of this 10x, right? Kind of caught it late, so you can't worry. I mean, you can't trouble yourself about catching the bottom, getting the best deal. Just focus on compounding profits. Get your money, sell the top, move to the next coin. Repeat, compound profits, increase your bag sizes, right? That's the goal every day. Like, you can't say, I wish I would have got Bitcoin at 3,000, because you could say, hey, I wish I would have got Bitcoin at 655. Like, there's a point where you have to look forward and not back. Very important we talk about Bitcoin market dominance. So we talked about if this breaks higher, altcoins are going to bleed badly. Let's take a look. Go over to Binance. Yeah, 23%. These are alt BTC pairs. So Bitcoin pumping and then Bitcoin dominance pumping equals REKT City. You've got a bunch of double-digit red coins. These DeFi coins are going to bounce back quickly. So just keep an eye on those, but they need Bitcoin just to consolidate. So again, if this continues higher though, altcoins will continue to bleed badly, right? So you just need to make some decisions based on this idea. Hopefully we get some type of reversal here like we did this time, and we have epic altcoin pumps in store. Okay, so keep an eye on this idea. Again, when this thing trends lower, altcoin season. Boom, alts take off. And I got some good setups for you guys in just a second we're going to go over. But remember, if you want to use Binance, I mean, there's a ton of small cap coins. There's a good selection of coins and the most volume you could find in crypto. There's a link in the description. You can sign up for Binance if you want to use PureVPN. If you're in the United States, you have to. There's a Christmas sale. It's 88% off for a limited time. I mean, can't beat that. This is a Litecoin setup that I gave you guys yesterday. Again, buy the breakout of this level. 9,259 people saw this. 1,000 likes. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you guys more free setups on a regular basis. Bull run ready. Just learn how to trade these. Litecoin. So this is our chart from yesterday. It did break out. Max profits were 16%, which for a large cap coin, Litecoin, 16% gains since yesterday, 24 hours, right? I mean, that's huge. I mean, Litecoin's had a pretty amazing run. Like Litecoin, 40% just on this move to the upside. Remember, Litecoin reinvented itself. Like PayPal, hey, offering it to the world. Everybody wants cheaper Bitcoin. This is Ethereum USDT. Buy the breakout of this level. Now, as of yesterday, this had already taken off. These pullbacks again are pretty common. I mean, if you're looking for entry on these, like, this not if Bitcoin pulls back or these altcoins pull back, it's not like ignore the market. It's like, hey, let me find out how I can buy back in, right? So you want to bounce off of this level. You've got, look, see how the rejection. All right, so all the buyers are going to be sitting here because this previous resistance is future support. So the strongest group of buyers is sitting right there. Will it retrace that deeply for you to get entry? I mean, there's some bearish ideas as far as these indicators go. So again, a bounce here, boom, move to the upside. Again, you can see $720 Ethereum as long as Bitcoin cooperates. Cardano announces integration with Wolfram Alpha to create a new type of oracle. So the collaboration is going to allow users to interact with Cardano blockchain. It's going to include work on an avant-garde oracles. So This is big news for Cardano. You know, Cardano's doing a lot of big things. It's in XRP, XLM. When they pumped previously, ADA did too. Now there's a pattern I'm looking at. So there was a bull pennant. It did break out to the upside. Look, you got good volume to justify the breakout. I mean, possibly this is an ascending triangle, similar to what Bitcoin was printing. By the breakout of this level, right? Again, price got rejected, price got rejected, price got rejected. So all these sell orders right here are getting filled. And so, you know, there's a higher probability that if this continues to hit this level, it will break, and then you'll get a break move to the upside. So the measured moves here for ADA are as follows: 19 cents, 20 cents, 21 cents, 21.5 cents, 23.2 cents. And so again, you can just pause this, and here's the upside targets for ADA. This is not buy now, clearly. This is not buy now, but just some basic understanding of technical analysis is you know, important to kind of have to be really successful in this market. I think when I came into crypto, I didn't have a clue. I was listening to everybody else. If you have to ask everybody else what to do, you're going to have a hard time, because 70% of the time everybody else is wrong, right? And so you trade these charts, you have a little bit, if you can skew your win percentage in your favor, a few percentage points, even 10 percentage points. I mean, you could be wrong 40% of the time on a lot of these moves. But if you sell your losers quickly and ride your winners, managing your risk at that point, right? Do not ride these big downtrends. We're going to have a ton of huge pumps going forward in this market. And it's not even going to make sense how crazy these prices get. And then you get these deep retraces every time, and it pulls back to a support level, and that support level is higher than the previous support level, right? So look at ADA. Well, you know, you sell at 15 cents and you double your bag down here at 8 cents, essentially. Imagine doubling your bags on here, and that's the type of potential you have. You do that a couple times and compounding profits, and that's what this game is about. This band, I want to give you guys a setup. So you got a complex inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is not buy now. You got a 12-hour golden cross. Buy the breakout of this level right here. You see how the price action keeps getting rejected. Why does it get rejected? Because that's where all the sellers are at. The sellers are all stacked right here. So imagine it's like like a football, American football game, right? You got, this is your front line. This is your front line, right? Offensive guards, they're all right there trying to stop the bulls. But then once you get through the offensive line, dude, the quarterback, back here, right? So just think about it like this is the first line of defense for the Bears. But once you push through this level, you get a big move to the upside based on this idea. So keep an eye on BAN USD going forward. Again, not buy now, not buy now. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.